Hi, I'm Joe Belfiore with the Windows team. I'd like to tell you about our new update to Windows Phone called Windows Phone 8.1. With Windows Phone, we set out to create an experience inspired by people, an experience that gets you closer to the things you really care about, that feels a little less like technology and a little more like you. That's why we believe Windows Phone is the world's most personal smartphone. The Start screen helps our users express their individuality, coming to life through live tiles. Back in 2013, we added a third column for devices with larger screens. It was so popular, we decided to bring this feature to all screen sizes. So now, with Windows Phone 8.1, any user can turn on this enhanced layout, providing an expanded canvas to express their individuality. We also heard your requests and added an Action Center where you can see your notifications and get quick access to the settings of your choice. I can swipe down consistently from the top of the screen, even when the phone is locked, to see all my notifications in one central place. Next, I want to share with you something that makes your Start screen even more personal, our new Start background. In Settings, I can select a background of choice, and then, voila! As I head back to my Start screen, my live tiles transform to show this beautiful image in its entirety as I scroll up and down. Next, I want to introduce you to someone that I'm excited for you to meet. The world's first truly personal digital assistant coming to Windows Phone. Powered by Bing, our assistant was inspired by a much-loved character from the video game Halo. Meet Cortana. One of the first things we did when we conceptualized Cortana was to chat with real-world human assistants to learn how they actually worked. One technique real-world assistants spoke about was the idea of a notebook, tracking all the interests and likes of their clients. Cortana also keeps a notebook, which you see here, where she stores what she's learned about me and where I can view and edit what she knows about me whenever I want. Cortana's notebook will show my interests. Some she can figure out automatically, like my flight back home or the weather in my current location, and others I might choose to enter manually. Cortana also helps me when I don't want to be disturbed. During my quiet hours, she can silence notifications and handle incoming calls and texts for me. Of course, she knows the most important people in my life, by name and even when they call me, and she can allow them to break through my quiet hours at any time. With all this rich personal information about me, Cortana can be very helpful and proactive throughout my day. She knows my home and work, will warn me if traffic is bad on the way to an appointment, and she helps me manage my calendar via tracking flights, meetings, and more. When it comes to interacting with Cortana, I can either speak or type. In both scenarios, I'm able to use natural language, and I don't have to learn pre-programmed commands. Let's start with my voice. I can ask Cortana to help me with lots of different things, such as setting an alarm, calling and texting, toggling settings on or off, getting directions, playing music, taking notes, and more. Here's an example. Show me all the Japanese restaurants in Seattle.
Here are 10 Japanese restaurants in Seattle.
How long will it take to get to the first one?
It'll take 38 minutes to drive to Kisaka Sushi Restaurant.
I could have said this multiple ways, but Cortana understands what I mean. Sometimes, however, voice may not be the best option. If I'm at a concert that's really loud or in the middle of a meeting where I can't talk, I can just type. Here's an example. Remind me to pick up the new Miley Cyrus album next time I'm at the mall. It's not for me, it's for my kids. You'll notice Cortana understood what I typed completely. She confirms the location and then shows the reminder exactly as I wanted it. She also respects that I wasn't speaking, so she doesn't speak up in her response to me. Now, the next time I'm at the mall, she'll pop up a reminder. But that's not all. Cortana is the only digital assistant that can set people reminders. Let me show you how this works. Next time I speak with my sister, remind me to ask her about her new dog. Notice Cortana is smart enough to know who my sister is. Now that this reminder is set, it will pop up next time I interact with my sister via a call, text, or email. Cortana is helping keep me out of trouble with my sister. Cortana is really very powerful. She even knows how to interact with other apps installed on the phone. Let me give you some examples. Hulu is launching a new exclusive TV series that I'd like to watch. Hulu, can you add Deadbeat to my queue?
Opening Hulu Plus.
Cortana launches the app. The app is asked to do something.
Got it. Adding Deadbeat to queue.
And now Deadbeat's ready for me to watch. Here's another example. Hulu, play Deadbeat.
Opening Hulu Plus.
Cortana finds the app and launches
Playing
it.
Deadbeat.
And voila, I'm watching my show. Cortana is smart enough to understand a ton of what's actually happening in the real world. After all, she's absorbed the entire internet. What is the best phone?
Well, I am on Windows Phone.
What's your favorite music?
I bet you think I'm going to say something electronica.
Can you tell me a joke?
There are two types of people in the world. Those who need closure.
I love you.
Awesome. Now I never have to say I'm sorry.
Over time, Cortana learns about me and the things that matter most to me, so she can provide tailored suggestions and proactive help. She keeps me close to the people who matter most to me, and throughout, she lets me interact on my terms, whether it's by typing or by speaking. Cortana is a truly personal digital assistant.